It's no news that AI is coming for your job, and as you know, a lot of organizations globally are downsizing and employing AI agents. Now, one thing you can do is you can tap into this AI advantage. A lot of professionals just like you do not know where to start from and are afraid of quitting their 9 to 5, and I don't want you to do that. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways that you can make money from home using AI. This is your 2026 guide, and I want you to take notes as we're going to dive right into it. Also, in this video, I'm going to give you everything from the prompt, the systems, the automation, the workflows, everything you need to succeed in 2026 leveraging AI. So let's go right into it. The very first AI side hustle, AI online business you can start today is an AI content agency. Now, I'm not talking about you just posting endlessly on social media. I'm talking about you helping small businesses that can hire big agencies or can't even hire a full-time social media manager or content strategist. Now, with you partnering with AI, you can help them map their entire content strategy. You can also help them deliver the right type of content for blogs, newsletters, and even social media, and the list goes on. Everywhere the small business would like to have present, you can help them engineer this using AI. And it all starts with you knowing how to prompt, and with the right type of prompt structure, not only can you generate endless content, you can also tailor this content to be authoritative and have the tone and style of the small business owner. And small business owners can pay you from $500 to $2,000 depending on how big and how valuable your content services are and how many things you can do for them. Now, this is what I want you to do. I want you to start by first understanding the entire business and then developing the right type of archetype and structure for that business. Once you've done that, the next step you would do is you will now start writing newsletters for the business, because you can reactivate old leads by using newsletters and other promos that would help the business generate more revenue. Then once you've established that, then you can go as far as creating other assets for this business by using AI. In the description, I've put together the AI prompts that you can use to help you start your content agency, and also the right workflows that would help you do that. Another thing is, if you also want to join us in our community where we break down all these side hustles and more, the link is in the description. So going to the small businesses, the first thing you need to do is, like I said, once you've established this, then you can do a 1 month to 3 months free service for them. This way they understand you, they see the value you bring to them, and then they can now put you on a $500 to a $2,000 retainer. This is one of the easiest and no-brainer side hustles you can do, because you and I know that a small business just around your corner doesn't have time to start posting on social media, replying to emails, or creating content, and that's where you come in. You can help them with blog posts, with their SEO, and the list goes on. This is one side also that I recommend to everyone just starting. And even if you've started and you're looking for an additional income, start a content agency using AI. The second easy way you can make money, or your second side hustle you can make money using AI, is by creating custom GPTs and chatbots. Now, a lot of businesses do not know how to handle the phones. They are busy deep into the day-to-day grind, and they need AI agents that can help them reply to customer inquiries, solve 1 or 2 FAQs, and the list goes on. And trust me, so many business owners don't have the time, or they do not know how to go about it. With the right type of prompting, you can create a custom GPT that can help these businesses answer to customer inquiries, take orders, and the list goes on. So many business owners do not know how to create the right type of content or create a customer service agent as a chatbot for their business. So one of the ways that you can do that is by creating a custom GPT. What you have to do is simply go to chatgpt.com/GPTs, and you will see a wide range of different custom GPTs that other people have created. Now, because you want to tailor this to that business, to that small business, it's best that you start by just creating the create button at the top right. Now, once you've done that, it gives you two options. Option one is you can chat with the GPT here, and then it would work with you to create a custom GPT for the business. Another way is you can also go by configuring it. This way, you give it a name, you insert your knowledge base and every other instruction about the business, and then you can now create a custom GPT for that business. This is totally amazing because this way the business has its own custom GPT. This custom GPT is trained on everything about the business, and you can sell this to the business owner, whereby the team can always go to this custom GPT and then improve on their customer service, improve on their sales, improve on their marketing based on what you have created this GPT to do. This is one of the ways that you can make money using AI, and this is totally amazing. All you have to do is create a custom GPT and then deploy it for that business. Another thing you can do, if you don't want to create a custom GPT, you can go as putting in together this prompt. I have what I call the master prompt. Now, what you can do with this master prompt is it converts any prompt you have into a high level master prompt that is well trained, and this will give you the best output possible. It goes through the structuring, diagnosis, and everything that you need to create a high level prompt, and this is totally amazing. So all you have to do is put whatever rough idea you have, insert this master prompt, and then it transforms your rough idea or your rough prompt into a well-detailed master prompt. You can develop this for small businesses around you. Check the description. I break everything down, the prompts you can use, the workflows, and so much more. So go ahead and start creating your own custom GPT and chatbot using AI. The third easy way you can make money with AI, or the third side hustle you can do with AI, is AI design services. You and I know that AI is taking over. From tools like Canva, Adobe Express, and the other tools out there, they all now integrate AI into their platform, and now people can create amazing designs and realistic images using AI. A lot of the small businesses around you don't have the skill set that you have, and you can learn these things. You can learn how to create characters, you can learn how to create storylines, you can learn how to design really realistic images and videos using AI, and this is how you will help the small businesses get more customers and grow their business. One of the things that some people in my community are currently doing is they are doing content agencies using AI. They are creating 100% AI generated videos and using tools like 11 Labs to do the voiceover, and this way they are making sales for those businesses, from e-commerce to your day-to-day brick and mortar businesses, and the list goes on. That is what they are doing, and you can do the same. If you want to learn how to do that, the link is in the description. You join the community and you learn how to put this entire workflow and start your own online business. Now, with your AI design agency, you're taking the hassle off the business owners. You're helping them simplify their workflows. You're helping them create really amazing and premium designs. And most importantly, you're putting a story behind what they do, because they do not know how to do these things. And that's where you come in. You're giving them a story, you're giving them a good personal brand, and you're helping them boost their businesses with the right design and the right online presence. So if you're thinking of one of the other ways that you can make money with AI from home, think about starting an AI design agency. Creating your AI design agency is really interesting, because not only do you give the business a little bit of depth with your creativity, you can start at putting in a sketch. For example, I put in this sketch with the right prompt. You can now convert this sketch into an image. So after putting this sketch, I put in the right prompt, and it took my sketch and it created this character for me. I didn't just stop here from expanding on the sketch. I went further by creating the full character, giving it a name, giving it a personality, and everything that it needs to come to life. Now, this is interesting because a lot of small businesses do not know how to do this. You can create characters for the small businesses that help them in engaging with their audience, and even resolving. It could be the face of the business or the customer service agent, as the case may be. I didn't just stop by creating a character. You can also create other characters. I created other characters for using this same idea, and you can go as far as starting a series for the business. So in this case, I put in the prompt, put in my picture, and then created a different character for myself. And this is one series that I use to help decipher and break myths about marketing, sales, building your online business, community, and everything that I do for my target audience. So these are some of the things that you can do: create characters and create comic strips. And this is totally amazing because a lot of small businesses do not know how to do this, and you can be the go-to person that would help them achieve this. Ever wondered how research agencies come about their research? Or if you know students around you trying to go into research or trying to do their thesis, how do they come up with all those data and all the analysis that they do? Well, you can do that with AI. One AI niche or one AI side hustle niche that so many people are not tapping into is AI data analysis and research. So many small businesses and students need AI in helping them do research, and that's where you can come in. You can help them with this research by using AI, by connecting different AI LLMs. You can go deep into research and find out what they're trying to uncover. It could be medical, it could be legal, it could be entertainment, it could be marketing, sales, whatever they're trying to do. That's where you come in. You can start your own AI powered research agency or AI powered research and consulting firm where you help people that need to conduct research go deep into it, and this can be done easily using AI. Trust me, I know what I'm saying, because I know a lot of people around me that either putting in for their PhD, they're working on their masters, they're trying to go up in their career ladder, or they're working as associate or analyst in consulting firms. And the question is, how can they synthesize all this data that is out there? This is where you come in. You build together custom GPTs and you build together detailed prompts that can help them go deep into research and come up with the right solution. And this solution definitely is vetted, because you're not just going to use one AI LLM. You're going to pass it through different AI LLMs and workflows that would ensure that whatever you're coming up with is authenticated and is the right thing you're delivering. So think about it. How can you start your own AI research business from home, helping students, small businesses, consultants, and coaches with research? In helping businesses and students with research and going deep into data analysis, you can go to the custom GPT store and use any of the GPTs that are available. You don't have to build from scratch. You can take one of the GPTs that's in line with what you're helping the business with, and then you can now develop it, or you can just use it straight off the bat. Now, this is really interesting because a lot of these students don't have access to this or don't know how to use it properly, and that's where you come in. You learn this and then you can now deploy it for their business and for students. Number 5, this is one that excites me the most. This is one that I currently do and it has helped me generate a lot of money. It's simply an AI automation consulting and execution agency or business. Now, why am I saying this? A lot of businesses don't have systems, don't have structure. It's a lot of chaos. Trying to move from marketing, sales to operation, fulfillment is a lot, and this is where you come in. You simplify the entire process using your framework and you automate everything from A to Z. Now, this applies even more for marketing. You're running a marketing campaign. How do you connect different marketing channels together? How do you get the leads? How do you analyze the data? How do you ensure that the entire workflow from the email follow-ups to the WhatsApp messages and even the SMS goes seamlessly without you always doing it manually? That is where AI automation comes in place. And another amazing thing when using platforms like Go High Level is that you can even have your own AI chatbot integrated into your entire workflow, where it handles everything for you by replying to WhatsApp DMs, to replying to Instagram DMs, Facebook DMs, SMS, the list goes on. You have an AI agent that works for you while you go to sleep. And a lot of small businesses do not know how to do this, and you can do this, and you can charge as much as $2,000 to $5,000 every month, depending on the size of the agency and the output of what they are generating. If the agency or the business is making so much money. 10% of that should be yours. Imagine if for every time you put together a workflow, it generates them $20,000, $40,000, $50,000. Definitely they paying you 10% of that, which could be about $5,000. Wouldn't be so much, because you are helping them generate even more. AI automation agents or AI automation services is going nowhere. People might tell you that, oh, the AI agents that can do that. Remember this, AI agents don't work autonomously. AI agents don't work independently. They need humans to put them together, monitor them, and manage them for it to work effectively. And that's where you come in. You are the architect, you are the conductor, you are the pilot. You drive the whole conversation. You ensure that everything works smoothly, and you have an overview of what the final output should be. That is how you stay on top of the game. AI automation is one of the interesting side hustles you can start, and for me it's one that I use, and this is an example. This is a WhatsApp funnel that I built, showing my target audience how they can use WhatsApp to boost their business. And a lot of small businesses do not know that WhatsApp is a gold mine, because WhatsApp open rate is 98%, and people open WhatsApp messages maximum of 10 minutes after it's being sent. So it's a gold mine, and that was the purpose of this funnel, to show them how they can leverage WhatsApp, and it was a huge success. Now, not only that, you can build a bot, and something like this, you can build a bot around your WhatsApp message, whereby you put in videos, you put in quizzes, and you can go a extra mile. You can even attach a GPT or an AI chatbot to your WhatsApp messages. And this is one thing that you can do for small business, because a lot of small businesses do not know how to deploy WhatsApp funnels, or do not know how to put in chatbots into WhatsApp, and that is where you come in. You can show them how to do it and everything that they need. So look at this example. Imagine a small business owner shares a personalized video to every customer that buys from them, or shares a video to market one of their new giveaways or something around the season. That is really amazing, because a lot of businesses do not do it, and that's where you come in. You can show them how they can leverage WhatsApp and other automation tools to get the best out of their business. So these are just some of the ways that you can use WhatsApp and AI automation to help businesses grow, and you can get paid really handsomely for it. Like I said, check the description. I'm putting together a link for you to get your 14-day free trial, where you can start Go High Level, and you can do so many amazing things with Go High Level. I hope you enjoyed this video. This has been my top 5 businesses you can start from home using AI. I know you're wondering, where do I start from? Not to worry. Click the link below. Join us at the Digital Founders Hub, where we go deep into it. I break down every workflow, every system, every AI chatbot, every automation that you need to help you succeed as a digital founder. And this is just the beginning, because like you and I know, AI only gets better every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, where I share with you all the tools, tips, and strategies to help you turn your knowledge into income. I'll see you at the next one.